In today's video, I will tell you how you can cancel the auto debit subscription of your Netflix and you can save the bills of your bank account as well. So watch this video till the end to know the whole process. Open your Netflix application. Now select any account. Tap on profile icon. Then tap on three dots. Now select the account. Now here you can tap on the cancel membership button. And to confirm it, tap on finish cancellation. So if you have cancelled this option, so that doesn't mean that you will get your payment back to your source account. It means that you have already subscribed for this month, and if you have cancelled this subscription, the amount will be not deducted from the next month from your billing account. So this was the video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.